Good morning everyone, wherever you may be in the world. Here I have the QWERTY keys QK75 in the lavender color, and we will be building this today on this video. So I got these group buy extras from the local vendor Reebok keyboards, and the set that I got was literally the last one. Here's everything that came with the keyboard, and since I got the bundle, it also came with keycaps and switches. You had to buy the plate and the PCB separately from the board, and I got the wired hot swap PCB and the FR4 plate. So the first step you want to do is always test your PCB before you start building. But wait a minute. So I couldn't find where to plug in my cable, but after consulting with the build guide, you have to plug in your PCB to the daughter board that's connected on the bottom case. Once you've checked everything and it's good to go, you can proceed with assembling your stabilizers. These are the liquid metal ALF steps that came free with the keyboard. I did holy mod one of them, but decided to not holy mod the other 3 sets because the tolerances were really good. Since I've already screwed on my stabilizers, I'm just going to cut these small holes into the PE foam and set that directly on top of the PCB. The plate foam will sit directly on the PE foam, and it does need a little bit of trimming before it can fit into place. Now for the switches. Now these are the Ashen switches that came with the bundle. Details are as specified. Now to install the optional rotary knob. First, use the included screwdriver to unscrew this part off. Then grab this included ribbon cable and attach it onto the rotary encoder. With the included case screws, use 4 case screws to screw on. Oh, this is so many screws. Next, don't forget to connect your cables to your PCB. The gaskets the QK75 uses are really interesting and really cute. I don't know, it was just cute. Now close that baby up and screw it shut. And don't forget to secure the rotary knob in place. I forgot to put on the rubber feet at the start, so here I am doing it now, but you should probably do it earlier. Finally, install your keycaps. These are the keycaps that came with the bundle. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help me out a lot. And I hope to see you guys in the future. See ya!